Good morning to all. We are in chapter 5, circle. Now, two important topic we will see, that the perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. Here, the perpendicular, this is the perpendicular from center of a circle, to a chord AB. It means this perpendicular will bisect the chord AB into two equal parts. OM. Suppose OM is here. OM is the perpendicular from the center of circle to a chord. So OM will cut AB into two equal parts. So OM is perpendicular and AB is a chord. So here OM cuts AB into two equal parts, means here AM is equal to MB. AM is equal to MB. Now see here, in a circle, the line joining the center to the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to the chord. In a circle, a line joining to the center to the midpoint of a chord is always perpendicular to the chord. Means here is also 90 degree and here is also 90 degree. Here OM is a line which joins center of circle O and midpoint of chord. OM is a line which joins center of circle and midpoint of a chord AB. And what is a chord here? AB is a chord. Therefore, angle OMA is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degree. So both side is 90 angle, therefore we can say OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is perpendicular to AB. Now the exercise 5.6, question number 1. In the figure given, OM is perpendicular to AB. If AM is 3.5 cm, AM is 3.5 cm, then find the value of BM and AB. So right here given, OM is perpendicular to AB and the value of AM is 3.5 cm. So we have to find the value of BM and AB. So just now we have done that. The perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. Perpendicular from center of circle to a chord bisect the chord. It means here AM and BM both are equal. AM is equal to BM. And we know that the AM is 3.5 cm. Therefore, BM is also how many? 3.5 cm. So the value of BM is 3.5 cm. Now we have to find the value of AB. So value of AB is equal to, AB is how it is formed. The AB, first we will take AM, then we have to take BM, then AB will formed. So AM is 3.5 cm and BM is also 3.5 cm. So 5 plus, so we have to do addition. So 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, point or decimal, and 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7.0, it means 7 centimeter. The value of AB is 7 centimeter. That is our answer. Now question number 2. In the figure, M is the midpoint of chord AB. Find the value of X and Y. So solution. Here in the figure, M is the midpoint of chord AB. M is midpoint of chord AB. So find the value of X and Y. So first, what is given? Angle A is given 40 degree. Then after that we will find angle M. Angle M is equal to Y is equal to what? That we have to find. So in a circle, the line joining the center to midpoint of chord is perpendicular to the chord. It means here angle Y is how many? Angle Y is 90 degree because OM is perpendicular to AB. Because OM is perpendicular to AB, therefore angle Y or angle M is 90 degree. After that, in triangle OMA, sum of all three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle M plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. Angle A 40 degree, angle M, Y and O, H is equal to 180 degree. So angle here 40 degree and angle Y value is 90 degree and H we have to find. So 40 plus 90, 130 plus H is equal to 180. So H is equal to 180 minus 130 degree. So H is equal to 50 degree. Here plus, then here will come minus. So 180 minus 130, 50 degree. So our answer is the value of H is equal to 50 degree and Y is equal to 90 degree. Now homework question is question number 3. In the figure, OM is perpendicular to PQ. If PQ is 8 centimeter, then find the value of PM and MQ. Is PM is equal to MQ? Is PM is equal to MQ? This one you have to find by yourself, and this fill in the blanks is your homework. Question number 4, A and B, that is your homework. This I have explained in the first. Do by yourself.